Have you tried applying oil below the belt? Well, today I'm going to share one oil that has been known to help with inflammation, tenderness, pain, soreness, and even enlargement of the prostate. And it's something you can do at home to potentially avoid taking medicine or supplements. So stay tuned till the end of this video, where I'll be sharing my last bonus tip on how to speed up your results. But first, please make sure you hit the like button so you can continue to get more videos just like this one. Also, stick around until the end, because I have a very special gift to offer you. If you are new here, welcome. I am a board-certified urologist and pelvic surgeon. And if you're new here, I make content on urologic health, bladder conditions, sexual health, and much, much more. If you enjoy my content, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. Alright, let's get right into it. Are you a man over the age of 60 who is experiencing discomfort or pain in the pelvic region, especially when you urinate? It can be very frustrating and worrisome. You may be wondering if there's anything you can do about it. Luckily for you, there are things that you can try. And today, we're going to talk about a simple trick that you can do at home to try to avoid having to see the doctor, take medicines, or even supplements. What I'm going to be talking about today is applying an oil below the belt. But before we get into which oil is best, I want to explain why this may be helpful. So the area below the belt in men is close to the prostate. And the prostate is a walnut-shaped gland that sits underneath the bladder that makes fluid that helps carry sperm from the body. As men get older, they get an increase in prostate size, and unfortunately, this can cause some problems. One being that it can press on the urethra or the P-tube, causing difficulty urinating, straining, intermittency, like gotta go, can't go sometimes, and even hesitancy, which means that when you go to urinate, you might start and stop and start again. So these are all very common symptoms of an enlarged prostate. But it's not only the prostate that can cause issues. Sometimes you can have inflammation of the prostate, which can also cause pain in the pelvis, perineum, testicles, and even down the penis. So today I'm going to share with you some oils that you can apply externally to the skin to hopefully reduce that inflammation, pain, soreness, tenderness, and even enlargement of the prostate. Now, the most important thing before you do this is to make sure that you're not allergic to the oils that you're going to use. Always test it on a small patch of skin before applying it to the entire area. Also, some people may find the sensation of putting oil in this area unpleasant, so make sure that you are comfortable doing that. And lastly, always consult with your doctor before trying any new treatment, including herbal remedies or massage techniques. And so the first one that I'm going to recommend is olive oil. Olive oil is a common household item that's used in cooking. It's rich in antioxidants and healthy fats, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. And studies have shown that massaging olive oil onto the prostate can help improve blood circulation in the area, which can reduce pain and inflammation. Now, how do you do this? You can simply take a small amount of olive oil and rub it gently in your hands and apply it in a circular motion onto your lower abdomen, making sure you include the area just above the penis or the perineum. Make sure you do this for at least 5 minutes, but try to go for 10 minutes if you can. The second one that I'm going to recommend is coconut oil. Coconut oil is another common household item that's used in cooking. It has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce prostate inflammation and pain. Now, a study done in rats found that applying coconut oil to the prostate reduced prostate swelling by 40%. While this study wasn't done in humans, it's still promising and definitely worth giving a shot. In addition to that, coconut oil is a great moisturizer, and it can help keep the skin in the area hydrated, which can reduce dryness and irritation. The process for this is similar to the olive oil. Take a small amount of coconut oil, rub it in your hands to make sure it's nice and warm, and then apply it in a circular motion on your lower abdomen and the perineum for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Next up, we're going to talk about saw palmetto. Saw palmetto is an herbal supplement that many people use to treat enlarged prostate symptoms. It works by blocking the production of DHT, which is a type of testosterone that can contribute to prostate growth. While it's not an oil per se, you can actually get saw palmetto in an oil-based supplement, so this is an option for you. Now, it's important to note that saw palmetto should not be used by men who are balding, because saw palmetto can also cause hair loss. And if you are already experiencing hair loss, then it may worsen your symptoms. So if you do decide to go with this option, make sure you speak with your doctor. The next one is peppermint oil. This is a fragrant oil that's commonly used in aromatherapy. It has anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce prostate inflammation and pain. It's also been shown to relax smooth muscles, which can help with urinary symptoms related to an enlarged prostate. However, it's important to dilute the peppermint oil with a carrier oil like olive oil or coconut oil before applying it to the skin. You can do this by adding a few drops of peppermint essential oil to a tablespoon of carrier oil and then apply it to the lower abdomen and the perineum. Last but not least is pumpkin seed oil. Pumpkin seed oil is extracted from the seeds of the pumpkin fruit, and it's commonly used to treat enlarged prostate symptoms. It works by relaxing smooth muscles in the prostate and the urethra, which can help improve urine flow and reduce urinary symptoms. A study showed that men who took pumpkin seed oil for 6 months had an improvement in urinary symptoms compared to those who received a placebo. Pumpkin seed oil is available as a supplement, and you can find it in capsule form. The recommended dose is usually between 400 mg and 800 mg per day. However, it's important to speak with your doctor before taking any new supplements, including pumpkin seed oil. So these are some of the options that you can try out there. There's also other supplements that are out there like lycopene, selenium, and vitamin E that have all been shown to help with prostate health. But this is a good starting point and definitely worth trying out before getting on to medicines or other treatments. And lastly, I promised you a bonus tip, and that is to combine this with a healthy diet and regular exercise. A diet that's high in processed foods and unhealthy fats can contribute to inflammation and can make prostate symptoms worse. So make sure you eat a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Exercise can also help reduce inflammation and improve overall health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. I hope this was helpful for you guys. And if you enjoyed this content, please make sure you share it with your friends and family. And also, please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. As always, remember to take care of yourself because you're worth it.